Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue that many of us face on a daily basis. The dreaded afternoon slump. You know the feeling after lunch, your energy levels plummet and you struggle to stay focused and productive. But fear not, because we are here to share with you some energy hacks that actually work to help you beat the afternoon slump. So let's dive into the top tips for boosting your energy level and staying sharp all the day. I have divided this video into different sections for your better understanding. Section number 1, hydration is a key. One easiest way to boost your energy is to stay well hydrated throughout the day. Drinking enough water is really important, because if you are not hydrated, you may feel tired and find it hard to think clearly. To keep your energy up, try to drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water. You can also add electrolytes to your water if plain water is boring. You can mix things up by drinking herbal teas or adding fruits to your water for a tasty and refreshing change. Section number 2, power up with protein-rich snacks. Another easy way to beat an afternoon slump is by eating snacks that are high in protein. Protein helps keep your blood sugar steady and make you feel full and satisfied, which can stop those sudden drops in energy. Good option for protein-rich snacks include almond, Greek yogurt, or hummus with vegetables. These snacks can give you the boost you need to get through the afternoon. You might also that it helpful to prepare some protein-packed snack ahead of time, so you always have something ready when you get hungry. Section number 3, move your body. When you feeling sluggish in the afternoon, one of the best things you can do is to get up and move your body. Physical activity helps you to increase blood flow and oxygen to your brain. Take a quick walk around the block, do some stretching exercise at your desk, or even try to some quick burst of high intensity interval training to get your heart rate up. You will be surprised at how much better you feel after a few minutes of movement. Section number 4, take a power nap. If you are really struggling to stay awake in the afternoon, don't be afraid to take a power nap. A quick 20-minute nap can do wonder for your energy level and cognitive functions also. So find a quiet space, close your eyes, and set a timer to wake up after 20 minutes. You will be amazed how much more focused and productive you are after a short nap. Section number 5, mindful meditation. Another energy hack that actually works is mindful meditation. Taking a few minutes to focus on your breath and clear your mind can help you to reduce stress and anxiety, which can zap your energy level. Try finding a quiet space, sitting comfortably, and taking slow deep breaths in and out. You can also try guided meditation apps or videos to help you relax and recharge your mind. Just a few minutes of meditation can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Section number 6, limit caffeine intake. While it may be tempting to reach for another cup of coffee, it's important to be mindful of your caffeine intake. Too much caffeine can lead to jitteriness, insomnia, and other even more fatigue in the long run. Try to limit your caffeine intake to not more than 400 mg per day, and consider switching to green tea or matcha for more sustainable source of energy. You can also try incorporating other natural energy boosters like ginseng or rhodiola into your routine for a healthy pickup. Section number 7, prioritize your sleep. One of the most important energy hacks is prioritize your sleep. Lack of quality sleep can wreak havoc on your energy level, mood, and overall health. So it's crucial to make getting enough rest a top priority. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of quality sleep each night, and try to establish a consistent sleep routine to help regulate your body's internal clock, creating a dark, quiet, and cool sleep environment. It can also help you get the restful sleep. You will feel energized and alert next day. Section number 8, adjust your work routine. Do you know what other things make you comfortable in the afternoon? Keep your workplace tidy, well lit, and add plants. Do difficult tasks when you feel most awake. Take short break to recharge yourself. Last but not least, work with others. Celebrate small wins to keep your motivation high. And there you have it, our top tips for beating the afternoon slumps and staying energized throughout the day. We hope you found these energy hacks helpful and can implement into your daily life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video to the others, and hit the bell icon for more content on health and wellness. Until next time, bye.